Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. Hi friends, my name is Courtney and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a delicious chicken and stuffing casserole. You're gonna love this recipe. Let's get started. First things first, I'm going to liquefy my frozen block of broth. I like to make homemade broth and freeze it in super cubes so I can make convenient recipes just like this with a delicious broth. Then we're going to take a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, along with 1 cup of onion diced, 1 cup of sliced celery, and 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. And we're just going to mix that around and cook them until they're tender in that melted butter. And then you just want to keep an eye on it because you want to make sure they get tender. They're going to cook in the oven, but you really want to make sure they're a little bit more tender so they're not too al dente. Then we're going to add in my homemade cream of chicken soup. But if you don't have homemade cream of chicken soup and you don't want to make it, you could also use a can of condensed soup, but you're going to want to actually thin that out because it's a little thick. You can use like 1/4 cup of milk. Then I'm going to take that and pour it over some pre-cooked chicken. I like making a ton of chicken during the week, and I had about 3 cups and I added that to the bottom of a greased casserole dish. And then I'm putting that soup mixture right over top, and we're going to use our spatula to spread it all around and really make sure it gets into each nook and cranny. Now you can make your own homemade stuffing mix, but we're going to be using 6-ounce box of stovetop stuffing mix. I'm using the chicken, but you could also use turkey if you were using some cooked turkey. Then I'm going to take that broth that we defrosted and made liquid earlier, and then we're going to mix that into the stuffing mix. Then I'm going to pour that over top of the casserole dish and make sure I cover every little bit so it cooks nice and evenly. We're going to cover it with aluminum foil and bake it at 375 degrees for 20 minutes, and then we're going to remove that foil and cook it for another 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top and bubbly. It is super hot, so you want to let it cool a bit before you dig right in. I know it can be tempting. And then I love to serve it over mashed potatoes, but you could also serve it over anything you prefer. Another great addition would be some corn in here or even peas. It's time to dig into our chicken and stuffing casserole. You want to let it sit a little bit before digging right in because it is piping hot. It should be bubbling out of the stove. I'm so excited to dig in. I served it over mashed potatoes. Let's go in for a bite. I'm going to get some of that stuffing, some chicken, and some of the mash. It's really hot. It's like Thanksgiving in your mouth. Oh my goodness. This would actually be really good for Thanksgiving. It's also a great way to use leftovers. It's so good. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I'm going to enjoy the rest of it with my family. And if you liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.